weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Lorain County until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Westlake, or 10 miles east of Elyria, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Parma, Lakewood, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, North Olmsted, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, Avon, Parma Heights, Rocky River, Brook Park, Berea, East Cleveland, Fairview Park, Middleburg Heights, and Bay Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Lorain.